Hey guys, it's Jason, founder of Jason Markk, and we're back again at the shop. But today we're going to be talking about our new and improved quick wipes. So I know this is a fan favorite of a lot of you guys out there, but don't worry. We've just taken the quick wipe and we've improved and made it even better. So let me show you our new wipe. So right off the bat, you can tell that the new wipe is significantly larger, and I'll show you the actual wipe comparison here. So this wipe in the front is our current wipe, and the one in the back is our new wipe. So much larger cleaning area, more shoes to clean with a single wipe. The other thing that we improved on are the actual raised dots themselves. So on our current wipe, you've got these little blue dots that gave you a slight abrasion. Now we've got much taller, larger cleaning dots that give you much better cleaning. So the wipes still come in a 30 pack and a 3-pack. As you can see, we freshened up the look of the packaging. This is our old packaging, which you guys are familiar with. Yeah, also kept them individually packaged so that they're super portable. You can have some in your car, in your bag, at work, school. Always have a few on you. Today, we're gonna clean these pairs here, the Air Jordan 1s, the Air Jordan 3 À Ma Manieres, and the Atmos Air Max 1s. So let's get into it. All right, so let's clean these Air Jordan 1s. These are in pretty good condition. Look like they have some light wear. Pretty typical of maybe just a day out walk in. I think these are my boy Sobeys because that's what the name on the tag was, and I only know one Sobey who's from Jordan brand. So shout out Sobey, dropping these off. I'm gonna clean them up for you. Quick wipe. And here we go, brand new quick wipe. Got the dotted side, it's got the raised dots that give you that extra cleaning power. I just wanted to have some slight abrasiveness to work out some tougher stains, and you got the softer side just for all around cleaning. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Just take the wipe and start scrubbing. You can already see it just coming right off. And this is actually the perfect shoe to clean for a quick wipe. It's an all leather shoe. It's got some hits of suede. Remember, guys, don't use the quick wipe on suede or nubuck. Any other material, you're safe to use the quick wipe, but if you've got to clean the suede, just wait till you get home to do that. This is the beauty of the quick wipe, right? It's portable. You always have one on you. You might be out. You might scuff your shoe on the curb or on a tire. And what do? You have a quick wipe. It's just as easy as busting it out and keeping your sneakers looking fresh. Believe it or not, I developed the first quick wipe in 2013. So it's been 8 years, and we felt it was time to kind of revisit it and just improve upon it. The reason I developed the quick wipe was because there were shoe wipes on the market, but I didn't really like them that much because each of them they were just like a baby wipe. It was smooth, and I felt like it was just kind of pushing the dirt around. And that's why I developed this substrate that has these dots. That is, part of the magic of our quick wipe is these raised dots. And like I said before, we've made it even better because we've made the dots larger. They're not gonna damage your shoe. All it does is give you a slight abrasion to work out the tougher stains. Yeah, I can't tell you how many times I've been out and you just get into a situation where life happens, right? Like you're out and you might I'm really careful. I'm always looking at the ground and seeing what I'm stepping on, but it's inevitable sometimes. You scuff your shoe on the curb or whatever. Quick wipes have just come to save me because otherwise it would have ruined my night. My mind's thinking about the scuff on my shoe, but the quick wipes have just come in handy and they're always there. They're portable. This shoe is looking fresh. I'm gonna give it a little extra love. And this is where the dots come into play for air. Like this midsole here has some texture to it. It's not a super smooth midsole. So that's where you want those dots to kind of get into those little grooves. And just quick wipes are one of our most popular products. Every time I meet someone new, or even if it's just like a friend that I haven't seen in a while, the quick wipes always come up in conversation. And I know that it's not all sneakerheads that are using the quick wipes. I know this because my wife always has some on her, and she actually uses it to kind of wipe down her purses, her leather purses. And I know she's not the only one too, because I have a friend, Dana, shout out to Dana out in New York, that also raves about the quick wipes on her purses. So I actually brought one of my wife's purses to kind of demonstrate. She doesn't know that I borrowed it. I have it, and we're gonna do a little cleaning on her handbag as well. Oh, another fun fact: the OVO collab that we did, it was all birthed around quick wipes. Actually, that's the only product that we did a collaboration with OVO, was with quick wipes. Drake always sent them quick wipes, and he always had them on him. Anytime he needed more, we would just send him some, and I guess he really loved the quick wipes, so he reached out and we're like, let's get down on a collab, and that's how that came about. Quick wipes are definitely a fan favorite, and if you haven't tried them, once you try them, you get it, type of thing. This shoe's looking pretty good. I'm gonna get started on this second one here, and again, same wipe. Probably go through like 2 or 3 pairs of sneakers with the one wipe. What's also not uncommon is, like, if you're out with your homies or whatever and you bust out the wipe and you just need a quick hit, you can share the wipe. Like, I've done that so many times where I just feel like, damn, there's so much more to use. I mean, look at this. I cleaned the one side and it's got the dirt on it, but it's still got a lot of use in it. So I'm gonna clean up this second side here. You hear that? That's the dots just going to work right there. And in the solution, it actually, you don't need to dry the shoe. It's not like after you use it, the shoe's gonna be dripping wet. It dries pretty quickly. We designed it that way because we knew that you'd likely be using it when you're out and about. Honestly, I could probably use this same wipe to clean these other 2 pairs of shoes, and that's what I'll do, because why open a fresh wipe if we don't have to? And I just love seeing that. See how, I don't know if you can get that, but see how that area is just dirty? You just give it a quick scrub. And then I use the soft side, just kind of do a general wipe clean. Textured side for tougher areas like the midsoles. I'm really, I'm taking my time and cleaning up these real nice because, I want to show you what it can do. But yeah, these are called quick wipes for a reason. You're out, something happens, you bust it out, and within a few seconds you're good to go. I think we're good. I'll just leave that there. All right, so next let's get into these Air Jordan 3 À Ma Manieres. I know that these just came out and they're super fresh and buttery. I like the quilted inside, and these don't look too bad. I just noticed these are actual another customer's drop off. These don't look too bad at all, but I can see why they dropped them off, because if you look at this area here, I feel like that's the problem area. And again, looks like a tumbled leather, perfect for the quick wipe. Just steer clear of any suede or nubuck. So I'm gonna use the same wipe, and we're just gonna take care of that little problem right there. So just like that. Easy. There we go. And it's got a little bit of scuff on the midsole, so I'm gonna hit that too. On these Air Jordan 3 midsoles, you just gotta be careful, because too much pressure, the paint will start to crack. So just a little tip there, just be gentle on the midsole of these. All right, so these are good to go, looking fresh again. I think next I'm gonna show you my wife's purse that I borrowed. Thanks, Nance, appreciate it. Take good care of this thing. I think I should open a fresh wipe for this one. so I don't get in trouble. Again, this Goyard purse, it's all leather. Basically, I know that she sets her bag down when she goes out, and I know that's where, you know, the dirt starts to kind of accumulate. This one doesn't look too bad, but I'm just gonna demonstrate that the wipe can be used on this nice leather as well. I mean, basically nowadays, like sneakers and the materials that are being used on sneakers are just as luxurious or in some cases even more luxurious than handbags nowadays. So it makes sense. But I didn't have to tell my wife that. I mean, it's just pretty common sense. She just has wipes on her all the time for things like this. So I'm just gonna give the bottom part a quick once over, and then I'll show you the wipe. All right, so not that dirty, but you can see there's the wipe, there's the dirt, and yeah, there you go. You got a nice clean handbag. Last but not least, I'm gonna clean up these Air Max 1 Atmos. These are an actual customer's drop off as well. And these look well worn. I can tell by the insole that they're well worn, but the outside doesn't look too bad. It's got some areas on the midsole that need some touch up. Right there on the toe box, there's like a little bit of splatter. I don't know what it is, but that should come right off. And this shoe's got, you know, the leather toe box. It's got this like nice nubuck and suede up here, so great for anything but suede or nubuck for the quick wipes. I'll just use this same wipe here, and I'm gonna hit the toe box just very gently. I just kind of wrap the wipe around my finger like that. And that way I can kind of be more precise with it. Just switch over to the smooth side here, just to pick up any. Okay, the midsole. Yeah, this one's really another easy cleanup. And we got a little scuff here. That shouldn't be a problem. Just use the dotted side. That. This side is looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other side. And then I'm gonna show you a good after shot of everything that we cleaned today. It's a nice scuff on the back there. See, I feel like just like that, how it came out, I feel like if this were just a smooth wipe versus the dotted side, I don't think that would have came out as easy. But that's what the dots are there for. And there you have it. So we just cleaned up 3 pairs of shoes super quick. I feel like I could have used the quick wipe, but I didn't want to use the used quick wipe on my wife's purse. So that's the only reason why I opened another one. But I feel like easily we could have used the same quick wipe to clean all of this. This was the first quick wipe that I used, and it feels like there's a lot more life in there. Like I could, if I wanted to, probably clean up another 2 or 3 pairs with this guy right here. And then this was the second wipe that I opened to use for my wife's purse and the Air Max 1s. And the great thing about the wipe is it's just super durable material. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I am so excited that these wipes are finally ready for you guys to get your hands on them. They're available now at jasonmarkk.com, in-store, and at select retailers worldwide. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you next time.